Hello everyone, this is Vinod from Chennai, and I am here to answer the controversial questions that have been portrayed towards me from my students. Let me start off with the high voltage one. One of my students asked me this question: why are the IELTS corrections not transparent enough? There are multiple factors based on it. For example, this is purely an English based exam, all right? And when a person corrects an answer sheet for you, it depends upon the perspective of the person to reduce the scoring, okay? Multiple factors are there. For example, the coherence, the structure, the cohesive nature of writing, and vocabulary, grammar, relevancy, all in a single package. So the perspectives of the examiner differs drastically from person to person. In case if they submit the writing or the speaking assessment transparently to you, there is a higher probability for you to compare it with your friend or some other person you come across, right? So it might lead to a lot of controversy. To avoid all those different negatives, they must make sure that it is kept discreet. Having said that, do you think I agree to that point? It depends upon my mindset, because in the mock test, when students answer the questions, right, I personally feel that they put their heart and soul into their writing and speaking, but unfortunately, though, some students don't get the desired band score that they require in their IELTS. So it's a 50-50, and from my perspective, if you ask me if they should make it transparent, I think it is worth it to take the risk. All right, and that's my humble perspective. Thanks a lot, guys.